ABP stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether ABPRO Holdings stock is a buy or not for me. So make sure to watch the short 1 minute video till the end to find out. First thing that I'll mention is that 40% gains on Friday was just immaculate. You know, I love to see that. Doesn't mean that much, but it also plays a huge role at the same time. Like, you have to understand that before that, this thing was really not trading anywhere. Like, look at this 2-hour chart, right? That's like, this is the whole data that we have on the daily chart. So can you guess what my bias on this is? I mean, I'll just come here and just will have to say, yeah, I'm not the bullish guy, man. Like, I mean, I've seen, it doesn't matter that we have that much data because, you know, the market is fractal and it obviously fundamentals play a huge role. But myself personally, if I see though like a second break with a full candle close beneath this low, you better know that my bias and everything on this market is downside. Streamline from this break. So that's how ABP looks like. I mean, I'm just following my edge that works in tandem. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the photos link in the description. It's a free newsletter.